Good afternoon, class 12th. Dissolution of partnership form we have already started. Today let us take one more sum. Illustration number 6. The partners are X, Y, Z, dividing the profit in the ratio 3:2:1. We have given balance sheet. I told earlier also how to start the sum. So we will start our sum with balance sheet. So in balance sheet, first item is given bank balance. So where bank balance we are going to transfer, we will be preparing bank account, and here we will show two balance brought down. It is given rupees 1000. Next item is given debtors, realization account, debit side, two debtors rupees 15,000, and we have given provision also on it. 1000 rupees. Provision will be shown credit side by provision for bad debts rupees 1000. You cannot show debtor here 14,000. You have to show full debtor and provision this side. Next item is given stock. This is, let us write two stock. 80,000 rupees. Next item is given investment. Two investment. It is rupees 20,000. Next item is given, sir, plant. So two plant amount is rupees 75,000, and then we have given goodwill. So two goodwill account rupees 33,000. Here goodwill will be treated like other assets. No need to distribute it. So first of all, transfer all the assets on the debit side of realization. If we want to pass journal entry, what is our entry? First entry is realization account debit to debtor, to plant, to stock, and so on. I think you understood. Being all asset transferred to realization account. Now let us come to the liability side. All outside liabilities are to be transferred here. First of all, by creditor. So by creditor, amount is given 5,000 rupees. Then it is given Mrs. X loan. Mrs. X loan. X loan is given 8,000 rupees. Remember, here Mrs. X is outside party. If here it is given X loan, yes, it is given next item X loan. So for X loan, we have to prepare separate account. Partner loan, we will be preparing a separate account. Loan is our liability, that's why it will be shown credit side by balance brought down 8,000 rupees. Here only outside liabilities are to be shown. Partner loan is given, so we have to prepare separate account. Then we have given workman compensation reserve. So if you remember, in admission also we distributed these reserve. Investment workman compensation reserve. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. By workman compensation reserve. Amount is 30,000. Ratio is 3:2:1. So let us divide it. 15,000, 10,000, and 5,000 rupees. Invest here. If general reserve is given, we will distribute it. Workman compensation reserve, we will distribute it. Profit and loss credit balance, we will distribute it. Now one more item is given, investment fluctuation fund. You see over here, by investment fluctuation fund, amount is rupees 7,500. Always remember, if here investments are given and investment fluctuation fund is also given. So if investment are given, we will show investment fluctuation fund credit side of realization. If investment fluctuation fund is given, but investments are not given, then investment fluctuation fund we will distribute among all partners in given ratio. Remember, अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन फंड है, इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन फंड को बांट देंगे. लेकिन इस समय हमने क्यों नहीं बांटा? क्योंकि हमारे पास इन्वेस्टमेंट भी गिवन है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज कैपिटल अकाउंट 60. हियर वी विल शो बाय बैलेंस ब्रोक डाउन 60,000, 56,000 and 40,000. So in this way, first we complete our balance sheet by transferring into respective account. I transferred all these items here. So journal entry for these will be provision account debit, creditor account debit, Mrs. X loan account debit, investment fluctuation fund account debit to realization account. I think you understood. Now adjustment. X took over the investment at 25% more than the book value. X ने इन्वेस्टमेंट ले ली, इन्वेस्टमेंट हमारे पास 20,000 रुपए की थी. X took these assets at 25% more than the book value. Its 25% become 5,000. 20,000 into 25%, 5,000. It means X took the investment at 25. Now in my previous video I told all assets to be transferred when we are selling here this side. जब भी हम assets बेचते हैं सारी एंट्री क्रॉस में आएंगी. All assets already transferred here. Now selling will be here. If we sell it in cash, we show it by bank. जब हम इनको नकद बेचेंगे तो by bank account की एंट्री आएगी. But यहाँ who took the investment? X. तो I will transfer it with name by X capital account. Rupees 25,000 rupees. यहाँ हमने मार्केट में नहीं बेची है. यहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट किसने ले ली? X ने ले ली. तो यहाँ किसके नाम से एंट्री आएगी? by X capital. Each adjustment will go at two place. So where this second part item should go? Here number one entry is in credit of realization. So at second place it will be in debit side 100%. यहाँ एंट्री अगर क्रेडिट में है तो दूसरे अकाउंट में डेबिट में जाएगी. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज इट विल गो इन एक्स कैपिटल और बैंक? डेफिनेटली इट विल गो इन एक्स कैपिटल डेबिट साइड टू रियलाइजेशन 25,000 rupees. Why I am transferring this item on the debit side of realization? Because X took investment. X ने assets ली है and we will not give this assets to him at free of cost. We will charge money from him. हम उससे पैसा लेंगे तो हम उससे पैसा लेंगे तो उसके कैपिटल अकाउंट में हम डिडक्ट कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट आइटम. Y took over debtors of 5,000 at 4,000. Y is taking part of the debtor. 15,000 में से कुछ debtor Y ने ले लिए. 5,000 के debtor he is taking at 4,000. So here we will be showing by Y capital account 4,000 rupees. 5,000 के आइटम 4,000 में लिए तो एंट्री 4,000 से. मैंने पहले भी बताया था कम पे बिकी है या ज्यादा पे डजंट मैटर. वी नीड एक्चुअल अमाउंट एंड हियर एक्चुअल अमाउंट इज 4,000 एंड हियर इन Y capital account to realization 4,000 rupees. If you want to pass entry for these two, so what will be the entry, sir? X capital account debit, Y capital account debit to realization account. Why we are debiting X and Y? Because they took assets. We are reducing their capital. क्योंकि हमने उनसे ये पैसा लेना पड़ेगा. Next item. And remaining debtors realized 75% of the book value. बाकी जो डेटर बच गए उनको 75% में बेच दिया, पैसा आ गया. तो that will come under by bank heading. Debtors. Total debtors were 15. 5,000 debtors were taken over by Y. How much debtors left? 10,000. And we are selling them at 7,500. Oh, 7,500. Next item. Stock sold for 59 by bank. Stock 59,000 rupees. Then plant sold at 40 under by bank. By plant it is amount rupees 40,000. Are you getting me, sir? Now total assets sold at what price? 1,06,500. Every adjustment will go at two place. So where this selling of assets will go? Bank account debit side to realization. Why I am writing over here to realization? Because I am bringing this entry from realization. If you want to pass an entry, what will be your entry, sir? Bank account debit to realization account. This will be your entry. Now next entry. Expenses of realization were 1,000. When we are doing all this work, we are selling the assets, we are making payment of liability. So certain expenses occurred. What to do with those expenses? We have to pay them. So we will pay debit side. Make the heading to bank and here show it realization expense 1,000 rupees. Next item. It was found that there is a liability of 8,000 for damages which also had to be paid. एक कोई liability है 8,000 रुपए की for damages, उसको भी पे करना है. तो सर पे करना है ना, तो let us pay it. Claim for damage. Claim for damage 8,000 rupees. doesn't matter whether this liability was shown earlier in balance sheet or here not, doesn't matter. यहाँ ये liability पहले से दिखा रखी है नहीं दिखा रखी है कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है, इसने पे करने के लिए बोला है we have to pay it. Now our all adjustment over now. Now I told earlier also, let us check here. These are two outside liabilities. These are two outside liabilities. Some has not said anything about these liabilities, so we have to pay them. Some में कुछ बोला है चाहे ना बोला है, हमें ये liability पे करनी पड़ेगी. Under creditor 5,000 as it is and Mrs. X loan 8,000 rupees. So how much total money we are paying? 13, 21, 22,000 rupees, and it will be shown over here by realization account 22,000 rupees. Journal entry realization account debit to bank account. Provision for bad debts and investment fluctuation fund are not outside liabilities. That's why we cannot pay them. हमेशा ध्यान रखें जितनी भी लायबिलिटी आपने वहां पर शो की हैं जो आउटसाइड लायबिलिटीज हैं उनको हमें पे करना ही करना पड़ेगा. Now our sum is over. Let us close it, sir. First we are going to close which account? Realization. Its debit side is more. Its debit side is 2,57,000. Bring this total here. 2,57,000. The balancing figure is dear 90,000 rupees. 90,000. What we are going to do? By loss transfer to X, Y, Z. 3:2:1. 45,000, 30,000 and 15,000 rupees. This is loss. Now due to loss, what will happen to capital? Capital will increase or decrease? Decrease. That's why this loss will come into debit side to realization 45,000, 30,000 and 15,000 rupees. Now it is over. Let us pay the known amount. No other entry is there. 8,000, 8,000, 8,000. Let us pay it to bank account. And where entry will come? Credit side. Money is going by X loan 8,000 rupees. It is also over. Now let us close the capital. Credit side is more dear. 75, 66, 45, 75,000, 66,000, 45,000. Remaining is 30. Remaining is 32. Remaining is 5,000. What to write over here? To bank accounts. Money is going. We are making payment to XYZ. So by X capital, by Y capital, by Z capital, 5,000, 32,000 and 30,000. Now both sides should be equal. So this is how to prepare realization account. If sum is asking for general entry, again I am telling you first entry for transferring the assets, realization to assets, then transferring of the liabilities, liabilities account debit to realization, then selling of assets, bank account debit to realization, then if any assets taken by partner, X capital account debit, Y capital account debit to realization, payment of liability, realization account debit to bank account. Here if any liability is taken by partner, अगर कोई liability partner के द्वारा ले ली जाए तो here entry will be to partner capital और यहाँ से entry उधर credit में चली जाएगी. Now here general entry will be distribution of workman compensation reserve. Entry will be workman compensation reserve to realization. Then transfer of loss here. X capital account debit, Y capital account debit, Z capital account debit to realization. Now payment to XYZ. X capital account debit, Y capital account debit, Z capital account debit to bank account. So in this way we are going to close our these accounts. Thank you very much. Enough for today.